Good morning everybody. In previous class, comparing the quantities using proportion, 5th chapter, exercise 1, we'll learn the ratios and percentage. So now here, exercise 5.2. In the year 2012, it was estimated that there were 36.4 crore internet used worldwide. In the next 10 years, that number will be increased by 125%. Estimated the number of internet users worldwide in 2022. Here increased, now present people are used 36.4 crore internet users worldwide. So now here increased by 125%. So here we find that value. Now internet users in 2012. Here 36.4 crore internet users worldwide. So first we write internet users in 2012 is equal to 36.4 crores. Here 36.4 crores in 2012. After next 10 years, the number will be increased by next 10 years. Here next 10 years. Here next 10 years means here 2022. Here next 10 years 125% increased. So the total number of internet users in 2022. Therefore, the number of internet users in 2022. So that equal total numbers. Total numbers equal to here first in 2012 36.4 crores. So next plus here increased by 125%. So this numbers also. So here 125% of 36.4. Now here we find this value and add 36.4. So now here 36.4 plus here 125%. So we reduce the percentage symbol. Reduced percentage means 125 by 100. So into 36.4. So here first we use the 25 table. 25 4s are 25, 5s are 125. Again we take the 4 table. 4 1s are 4, 9s are 36. 0.4 1s are 4. Here 5 into 91. 5 into 91 is equal to here. We use the multiplication 5. Here 5s are 45. Here 45.5 is the product. So now here we write this value 36.4 plus 5 into 9.1 is equal to 45.5. Add these two numbers. Here 91.9 crores. Here crores. Total the number of internet users in 2022 81.9 crores. After 10 years this number. So this is the first answer. Next, second question. An owner increased the rent of this house by 5% at the end of each year. If currently its rent is 2500 per month, how much will be the rent after 2 years? Here asking after 2 years. So we calculate 2 years rent. Owner increased the rent is house by 5% at the end of each year. So here first year is increased, next after second year also increased in 5%. So we calculate the after 2 years rent. 2 years after rent. So now present rent is 2500 per month. Now here present rent is 2500. So we write present house rent. Here 2500. So if the owner increasing the rent by 5% and every year, then the rent of the house after 2 years. After 2 years. So we write here 2500 is the present rent. After 2 years. So 1 plus here percentage 5%. Percentage here we write percentage by 100. Here 2 years. So we write the power is 2. So now here simplify this one. Here 2500 Here 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 1 plus 1 by 20 whole square. Now here 2500. Here we do the LCM. Do the LCM. Here 20 plus 1 whole square. Now we write here 2500 into here 21 by 20. So whole square. Now write here 2500 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. These two zeros get cancelled. Now here simplify this one. Now here 25 into 21 into 21, 11,025. So 11,025 by denominator 2 into 2, 4. So now here do the division. So 4 2s are 8, 3 0, 4, 7s are 28, 2. Again we take 2. 5s are 20, 2, 5. 6 are 24, 1. Here point 0, 2s are 8. Next 2. Again we write the here 0, 4 5s are 20. So now here this one equal to 2756.25. Here this is the amount, rupee symbol. We write the rupee symbol. After 2 years after increasing the rent, amount is 2756.25 is the after 2000 after 2 years after increasing amount. Third question. On Monday, the value of company's share was 750 rupees. The price increased by 6% on Tuesday, decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday, and decreased by 2% on Thursday. Find the values of each share when trend opened on Friday. After Friday opened, that complete share value, we find that. So here Monday, the value of the company's share was 750 rupees. Increased next day 6%. Tuesday 6%. Decreased next 1.5% on Wednesday. Next again decreased 2%. First one time increased, after 2 times decreased that share. So finally Friday that share value we find out. Now here we find the Friday value of the share. So now value of the share when trade opened on Friday. Here Friday the value of the share. Here first year 750 rupees. So here we write first 7.5 into here one time increased by 6% on Tuesday. Increased. So we write here 1 plus 6 by 100. This is the increased value. So we write plus. Next decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday. So decreased. So we write here 1 by 1.5 by 100. Here 1.5 by 100 is the decreasing percentage. So we write the negative here. So next decreased by 2% on Thursday. So here Thursday is decreased. Again decreased 2%. So here total value minus here decreasing percentage is 2. 2 by 100. 2 by 100 is the decreasing value of Thursday. So now here this one simplify and find the value. Here first 7.5 into here do the LCM. Here the LCM equal to 100 by 100 plus 6 into 100 minus 1.5 by 100. Again we do the LCM here. 100 minus 2 by 100. Now simplify. Here next 7.5 into 100 plus 6. 106 by 100 into here 90. 100 minus 1.5. So 98.5 by 100 into here 100 minus 2. 98. 98 by 100. Here 25 4s are 25, 3s are 75. So 0.3. We write 0.3. 2 2s are 2, 53s are 106. Again 2 table 2 1s are 2, 4s are 2, 9s are 49s are 98. Next here 5 table. Take 5 table. 5 2s are 0. Again we write 0, 20. 5 2s are 5 20s are 100. Next 5 1s are 5, 5 9s are 45, 5 7s are 19.7. Now here 0.3 into 53 into 19.7 into 49 by here 20. 20 into 100. Now here we multiply these four numbers. This one is coming. So here we write here 15348.27 by 20 into 100. Means we write 2000. Here this point here denominator 3 zeros are there. So most 3 digits before. So we write here 15.34827 by 2. Now here 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, 2 6 are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 4, 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2 threes are here point. So final here this one equal to here we write here 7.674. 1 3 we write 3 digits enough. So final we write here 7.674 is the final answer. Finally Friday open after this complete share value is 7.674 rupees. So Friday share value this one. Complete third question answer. Fourth question, with most of the Xerox machines you can reduce or enlarge your original by entering a percentage for the copy. So Reshma wanted to enlarge 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters drawing. So a 2 by 4 centimeters drawing paper. Reshma's wanted this enlarged 2 by 4 centimeters. She set the Xerox machine for 150 percentage and copied her drawing. What will be the dimensions of the copy of the drawing? Here 150 percentage she set the drawing machine. So Xerox machine. So 150 percentage means here original percentage is 100. Extra 50%. Increase the 50 percentage. Original plus 50%. Then 150% increased here. So here increasing after this drawing length and breadth. We find the length and breadth. Increasing after drawing length and breadth. We find that values. Here Reshma wanted to enlarge a 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters drawing paper. So here length of the copy is 4 centimeters. Next breadth of the copy, here breadth equal to 2 centimeters. This is the original diagram length and breadth. Now here increase the 150 percentage. After we find the length and breadth. If the length increased in 150 percentage, then its measures. We find that after increasing after measures. Now here 150 percentage of here length is 4 centimeters. 150 percentage of 4 centimeters means here reduce the percentage symbol. 150 by 100 into 4. Here 0 0 get cancelled. Here 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 6 centimeters. Here units is centimeters. We write the centimeters. 6 centimeters is a length. Increasing after length is the 6 centimeters. Now here we find the breadth. If the breadth is increase in 150 percentage, then its measure. Here increasing after measuring is 150 percentage of 2 centimeters. Here breadth is 2 centimeter. So here reduce the percentage 150 by 100 percentage symbol. Reduce the percentage symbol 150 by 100 into 2. 0 0 get cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. So here 3 that equal to 3 centimeters. So reducing after new length and breadth. Here 150 percentage reducing after new length. Here length equal to 6 centimeters. Next breadth equal to 3 centimeters. 150 percentage increasing after new measurements length and breadth 6 centimeters and 3 centimeters. Fifth question. The printed price of a book is 150 rupees and discount is 15%. Find the actual amount to be paid. So here 150 rupees in discount is 50%. Here we find the discount amount here in 150 rupees. So we find the discount amount is 15%. So that amount subtracted with 150 rupees. So final amount is coming. Here printed price of a book. Here printed price of a book equal to 150 rupees. 150 rupees. Printed price of a book equal to 150 rupees. Here printed price of a book is 150 rupees. Discount percentage is 15%. So discount equal to 15% of 150 rupees. Now here 15% of 150 rupees. We reduce the percentage symbol. That means here we write 15 by 100 into 150. 0, 0 get cancelled. 0, 0 get cancelled. 5 2s are 5 3s are. 5 3s are 15. So now here 3 15s are 45 by 2. 45 by 2 means here 22.5. Here discount amount is 22.5 rupees. So the cost of the book. Cost of a price of a book. Here book is equal to total here printed price is 150 rupees. Discount is 22.5 rupees. So now here 150 minus 22.5 is equal to 127.50. So now here this is the rupee symbol. So final cost of price of a book is equal to 127.50 paisas. Here 15% discount of this book amount. Finally it paid the amount 127.50 rupees. 50 paisas. Finally he paid 127.50 rupees. So this is the fifth one answer. Sixth question. The market price of the gift item is 176 rupees and sold it for 165 rupees. Find the discount percentage. So here asking percentage. So here market price is 176, sold in price is 165. Here these two are subtracted, discount is coming. So after we find the discount percentage. Now here market price of a gift. Market price of a gift. Here market price of a gift item is 176 rupees. 176 rupees. So now here selling price, sold it for 165 rupees. So selling price is equal to 165 rupees. Now here you find the discount amount. Here the discount amount equal to 176 minus 165. Here discount amount is 11 rupees is equal to 11 rupees. Now here we find the discount percentage. Here discount percentage. Discount percentage is equal to 11 rupees discount by here total amount 176. Here total amount is 176 into 100. Now here simplify and find the discount. Percentage. Here first 11 table. 11 ones are 11 ones are 11 6 are 66. Again we take 4 table. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. Here 25 by 4 that equal to 25 by 4. So 25 by 4 we write this is improper fraction. So converted into mixed fraction. 25 is divided with 4. 4 6 are 24. 1 by 4. So this one converted into mixed fraction 6 1 by 4 percentage. Now here 11 rupees means here percentage discount percentage is 6 1 by 4 percentage. Discount amount is 11 rupees, percentage is 6 1 by 4 percentage. So this is the sixth one completed. Seventh question. A shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each. However, 5 bulbs were pushed and put them into scrap. The remaining were sold at 12 rupees each. Find the gain or loss percentage. So here total 200 bulbs. Here putting them into scrap 5 bulbs. Here 5 bulbs means here total is sale 195 bulbs. Here total 195 bulbs. Here each bulb cost selling price is 12 rupees. Here purchasing price is 10 rupees. So here he purchased 200 bulbs. Here he sold 195 bulbs. Here so now here we find finally loss or gain, we find that after percentage. Here a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees each one. So now here the cost of price of 200 bulbs at the rate 10 rupees. At the rate of 10 rupees. Each one cost is 10 rupees for each. That equal to here 200 into 10 rupees. Here total is 2000 is the total cost of price. 200 bulbs cost of price is 2000. Now here 5 bulbs are paused them. So throw in dustbin. So now here he sold total 195. So if 5 bulbs are paused, then remaining are 200 minus 5, 195. Here finally he sold in 195 bulbs. So each one cost was sold at 12 rupees each. So here 195 bulbs, he sold 195 bulbs. Each one is 12 rupees. So now here the selling price of 195 bulbs at the rate of 12 rupees for each. 12 rupees for each is equal to here 195 into 12. 195 into 12 is equal to 2340 rupees. Here the complete selling price is 2340. Here cost of price is 2000. So here selling price is more. So here profit or loss? Profit. So now here therefore here compare the selling price and cost of price. Selling price is greater than cost of price. Here selling price is 2340. Cost of price is 2000. So here selling price is greater. So now here profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost of price. Now here selling price is 2340 minus cost of price is 2000. Now here 340 is the profit. Now here asking profit or loss percentage. Here asking percentage. We find the percentage. Now here percentage, profit percentage is equal to formula. We write the formula profit by cost of price into 100. Always profit and loss percentage always calculating cost of price. So we write profit by cost of price into 100. So that equal to here profit 340 by cost of price is 2000 into 100. Now these two zeros get cancelled. This one cancel. 2 ones are 2, 17s are 34. So that equal to 17. Profit is 17. Therefore profit percentage is equal to profit 17 percentage. So final here profit, that profit is 17 percentage. 7th one answer complete. 8th question, complete the following table with appropriate entries. Here cost of price, expenses, selling price, profit, loss, profit percentage, loss percentage. So here first given cost of price, expenses. Here cost of price is 750 rupees, expenses is 50 rupees. So selling price, we find the selling price. Here cost of price is 750 plus expenses is 50. Total here 800. Profit is 80 plus 80. So here selling price is 880 rupees is selling price. Profit and cost of price, expenses is the total price. So total price with profit. So selling price is 880 rupees. Now here profit is 80. So we find the profit percentage. So we find here profit percentage. Profit percentage means here we write the 80 by here 80 by 800 cost of price. Here 750 plus 50 800 into 100. So that equal to here two zeros get cancel, 8 ones are 8 tens are 10 percentage is the here profit percentage 10 percentage. Now next one here second one cost of price is equal to 4500, expenses is 500. So here total is the 5000. So loss is 1000. Loss means here 5000, total here 5000 minus 1000, that equal to 4000. 4000 is the selling price. 4000 is the selling price. Now here we find the loss percentage. So loss percentage is equal to here we find that percentage. Now here loss is the 1000 rupees by cost of price, add these two, 5000 into 100 is equal to two zeros get cancelled, this one cancel. So 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 percentage is a answer. Loss percentage is 20. Here third one 46,000 cost of price, expense 4,000, 46 plus 4 50,000 is the cost of price. So here selling price is 60. So 10,000 profit. So here 10,000 is the profit. Here 60,000 minus 50,000 is equal to 10,000. 10,000 is a profit. So profit loss is not there. So next we find the profit percentage. So profit percentage means here we write the profit 10,000 by cost of price 50,000. Here 50,000 into 100. Here two zeros get cancelled. Here these two. 5 ones are 5 20s are. So 20 percentage is the profit. 20 percentage is the profit. Fourth one, cost of price is 300, expense is 50 rupees, total 350. So we find the selling price, profit. Here profit percentage is given. Here 12 percentage. So use this percentage, we find the profit. Here profit equal to here 12 percentage into cost of price is 350 by 100. Here 0 get cancelled. Here 5 2s are 5 7s are 2 1s are 2 6 are 6 7s are 42. Here 42 rupees is the profit. Now here selling price is total price plus profit. Here 300 plus 50 350, 350 plus 42, 350 plus 42 is equal to here 392 is the selling price of this one. Fifth one, cost of price is 330. Here expense 20 rupees. Total is the 350 rupees. So now here selling price, we find the selling price. Next here loss percentage is given. So we find the loss. Profit is nothing. So here loss percentage is given. So first we find the loss amount. Here loss amount is equal to loss percentage into here cost of price is 350 by 100. So that equals 0 get cancelled. 35 rupees is the loss. Here 35 rupees. So now here we find the selling price. Here total 350. 330 plus expensive 20. 350 minus here loss is 35. That equal to here selling price. Selling price is 315. 315 is a selling price. Next, ninth question. A table was sold for 2,142 rupees. At a gain percentage of 5%. At what price should be sold at gain 10%? Here 5% gain is cost is 2,142. If your gain is 10%, so we find the selling price. Here gain is 10%. That time we find the selling price. A table was sold for 2,142 rupees at a gain of 5%. So selling price of a table is equal to 2,142 rupees. Profit, here profit percentage equal to 5%. So now here selling price is there, profit is there. So that time we use the formula here cost of price is equal, we find the cost of price. Cost of price is equal to 100 into selling price by 100 plus gain percentage or profit percentage. This is the formula. So substitute these values here. First 100 into your selling price. Selling price is 2142 by 100 plus your gain percentage. Gain means your profit 5%. So that equal to your 100 into 2142 by 105. Now you simplify this one. Use the 5 table, cancel 100 and 105. Here 5 2s are 10, 0. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 21 table, use 21 table, 21 1s are 21, 1s are 21, 2s are 42. Here write 0. Here 20 into 102. 20 into 102 is equal to 2040. So this is the rupees. Now here cost of price is equal to 2040 rupees. So therefore the cost of price of buyer is equal to here 2040. Now again profit, here profit percentage is equal to 10%. So therefore now here we find the selling price. Here selling price is equal to cost of price into 1 plus here profit is the 10 by 100. Now here 2040 into 110 by 100. Now 0 get cancel, this 0, this one, 2 are cancelled. Now here 204 into 11. So multiply these two numbers. Therefore selling price is equal to 2244. Here 204 into 11 equal to 2244 rupees. Here this is the selling price. Here gain is 10%. So finally our selling price is 2244 rupees. So this is the 9th one solution. Now 10th question. Gopi sold a watch to Ibrahim at 12% gain, and Ibrahim sold it to John at loss of 5%. If John paid 1330 rupees, then find how much did Gopi sold it. Here Gopi sold it. How much did Gopi sold it? So here asking Gopi's selling price. So now here first here watch Gopi sold to Ibrahim 12% gain. Next Ibrahim sold it John 5% loss. So John paid 1330 rupees. Now here we find the Gopi selling price. Now first Gopi sold a watch Ibrahim. First it gained 12%. Gopi a watch sold 12% gain. 12% gain Ibrahim. So now Ibrahim loss of 5%. Loss of 5% sold at John. Now here Gopi's selling price is Ibrahim cost of price. Here Ibrahim selling price is equal to John cost of price. Here Gopi selling price is equal to Ibrahim cost of price. Ibrahim cost of price. Next here Ibrahim selling price is equal to here Ibrahim selling price. John cost of price. Here John cost of price. Then find how much did Gopi sold it. So here we find the selling price of Gopi. We find the selling price of Gopi that equal to Ibrahim cost of price. So here we find the Ibrahim cost of price or Gopi selling price. Now first here Gopi cost of price we say 100 rupees. So here let Gopi's cost of price, here we say 100 rupees. Now here gain equal to 12%. 12%. Now here Ibrahim cost of price is equal to Gopi selling price. Gopi selling price is equal to Ibrahim cost of price. Here Gopi cost of price is 100 rupees, gain 12 rupees. So Gopi's selling price is equal to here 100 plus 12, 112 rupees. So 112 rupees. Here Ibrahim lost 5%. Here Ibrahim loss is equal to 5%. Ibrahim's loss equal to 5%. So now here Ibrahim selling price. We find the Ibrahim selling price. Here Ibrahim selling price is equal to, here Ibrahim cost of price 112, 112, 100 minus loss by 100. Now here 112 into 95 by 100. Here first 5 1s are 5 9s are 5 2s are 0. Again we take 2 table, 2 10s are 2 5s are 2 6 are. Here 56 into 19 equal to 1064. So now use this one here, 1064 by 10, that equal to 1006.4 rupee symbol. So now here this is the Ibrahim selling price, 1106.4 is the Ibrahim selling price. Now here we take the 100. Gopi's cost of price 100. So we calculate the 100. Here 100 rupees we get 106.54. Now here Ibrahim selling price equal to John cost of price equal to here 1330 rupees. So now here this one is equal to 1330. Here we calculate the 100, we get here 106.4. Now here 1330 how much? So for 100 rupees we get 106.4 rupees. So now for 1330 rupees how much we get? Now here we find that value. Here this one is the Gopi's selling price. Now here 1330 by 106.40 into 100. Now here simplify this one. Here by 106.40. Now here for 100 rupees we get 106.4. For 1330 how much we get? So here we write 1330 by 106.4 into 100. So here 1330 into 100. So we write 133000 by 106.4. Here do the division 125. Here denominator 1 point is there. So we write 10. So this amount is therefore Gopi's selling price, Gopi sold price or Ibrahim cost of price is equal to 1250 rupees. So this is the 10th one complete answer. Eleventh question. Madhu and Kavita purchased a new house for 3,20,000. Due to some economic problems, they sold the house for 2,80,000. So find the loss incurred, B, the loss percentage. So here first we compare the selling price and cost of price. Here cost of price is more. So loss, we find the loss and after we find the loss percentage. Madhu and Kavita purchased a new house for 3,20,000. So cost of price of house. Here cost of price is 3,20,000. Now next, due to some economic problems, they sold their house 2,80,000. So selling price of house. Selling price of house here is equal to 2,80,000. Now here we find the loss. Here compare the cost of price and selling price. So cost of price is greater than selling price. Now first one here the loss incurred. So first A answer is loss. Loss equal to here cost of price minus selling price. Here cost of price is equal to 3,20,000 minus selling price. Selling price is equal to 2,80,000. So now that equal to here 40,000 is the loss. Loss amount is 40,000. Now next we find the percentage of loss. Loss percentage. Here loss percentage is equal to percentage, always calculate the cost of price. So formula is loss by cost of price into 100. Now here loss equal to 40,000 by cost of price. Cost of price is equal to here 3,20,000 into 100. These two zeros get cancelled. These two cancel. Now here 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 hundreds are 4 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. So that equal to 25 by 2. 25 by 2 means 12.5. We do the division and write that one. Here 25 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 1. We write 0.0. Here 2 5s are 10. 12.5. Here last percentage is equal to 12.5 percentage. So this one is the 11th one answer. 12th question. A pre-owned car showroom owner brought a second-hand car for 1,50,000. He spent 20,000 on repairs and painting, then sold it for 2 lakhs. Find whether he gets profit or loss. If so, what percentage? Here we purchased the car 1,50,000 and repair and coloring purpose. Here we spend the 20,000. So your total cost of price is 1,50,000 plus 20, 1,70,000. Your selling price is 2 lakhs. So compare here these two prices. Here profit. So first we find the profit. Here car for 1,50,000. Here he spent 20,000 rupees on repair and painting. So after repair, here the cost of price is equal to 1,50,000 plus 20,000. Here after repair, your cost of price is equal to 1,70,000. So final cost of price is 1,70,000. Now here sold it for 2 lakhs. So selling price of a car, your selling price is equal to 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is the selling price. Now here compare cost of price and selling price. Here selling price is more, so profit. So therefore here selling price is greater than cost of price. So that implies here profit. Now we find the profit. Here profit is equal to selling price minus cost of price. Here selling price is equal to 2 lakhs minus cost of price is 1,70,000 is a cost of price. Now this one equal to here 30,000. 30,000 is a profit. Final here profit is 30,000. Here loss or profit. He gets loss or profit. If so, what percentage? So now here we find the profit percentage. Profit always calculate the cost of price. Profit by cost of price into 100. Now substitute these values. Here profit is 30,000 by cost of price. Here cost of price is 1,70,000. 1,70,000 is the cost of price into 100. 2 zeros get cancelled. These 2 zeros. Here 300 by 17. 300 by 17 is there. 300 by 17. Now do the division. Here 300 divided with 17. 17.64 is get. So that equal to 17.64. So this is the percentage, profit percentage. So therefore profit percentage is equal to 17.64. 13th question. Lalita took a parcel from hotel to celebrate her birthday with her friends. It was billed with 14.50 including 5% VAT. Lalita asked for some discount. The hotel owner gave 8% discount on the bill amount. Now find the actual amount that Lalita has paid to the hotel owner. Final bill is 1450 rupees. After she asked 8% discount. So now here we find the 8% discount amount and subtracted this total amount. So we do the answer. Now here including 5% VAT, here total bill is 1450. So after allowing 5% VAT, the total bill is equal to here 1450 rupees. So now here this bill after she asked the 8% discount. So now here discount is called 8 percentage of 1450. So now here we remove the percentage 8 by 100 into 1450. So now here simplify this one. Here 0 get cancelled. 5 2s are 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. So here 4 into 29, that equal to 116. Here 116 is the after 8 percentage discount amount. Here 116 is 8% discount amount. So here discount is equal to 116 rupees. Now here finally she paid Lalita as to pay the bill is equal to here 1450 minus here 8% discount amount 116 is equal to 1334 rupees. So finally she paid 1334 rupees. Next 14th question, if GST is included in the price, find the actual price of each of the following. Here serial number, items, GST percentage, bill amount, original price. Here diamond 3% GST. Here bill amount is 10,300. Here pressure cooker and face powder also given. So now here we find the original price. Here always GST calculate for 100. So here 3% is given. So we calculate the 100. Here first one diamond 3 GST is 3%. Bill amount is 10,300. We find the original price. So first we find the original price. Let original price is equal to 100 rupees. Here GST tax equal to 3%. Here GST original price is 100, GST is 3%. So then the bill amount, final bill, then bill amount is equal to price plus GST tax. So here total is the 103 rupees is the final bill. Now here 100 rupees we take 100, 103. So here original bill is 10,300. How much? Here for 103 rupees bill amount is equal to 100 rupees. 10,300 rupees bill amount. Here 10,000, how much? Here 10,300. So we calculate that one 10,300 by 103 into 100. So here amount equal to here 301s are here 301 hundreds are. So now here 100 into 100, 10,000 is the final amount. Here original price is 10,000. Same method we do the another two problems. So now here this is the first one. Next second one. Here original price. Here original price is equal to 100 rupees and GST. Here GST is equal to 12 rupees. Second one is 12% GST. Here GST 12% is total bill. Here total bill is equal to here 100 plus 12, 112 rupees is the final bill. Now here we calculate the 100 rupees, the final bill is 112. Here 3,360 rupees here bill amount. So how much? Here now here for 112 rupees bill, here amount is equal to 100 rupees. Then the a 3,360 rupees bill amount is equal to a 3,360 by 112 into 100. Now here first we take the 4 table and cancel numerator and denominator. 4 2s are 4 8s are 32 and 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 0. Next 28 1s are 28, 28 3s are, yeah, 0 is there, 30. 30 into 100, 30 into 100 equal to 3000. Here 3000 is the final bill. So here we write the 3000. Here original price is 3000. Here third one, face powder. Here GST is 20%, 28%, bill amount is 256 rupees. Now here we find the same method, we find the original price. So here bill amount. Here bill amount is equal to 100 plus, here percentage is 28%. So we write here 28, 128. 128 is the bill amount. Now here 100 rupees, here bill amount is 128. Now here we calculate the 256. Here how much? Here 256 by 128. Amount is called 256 by 128 into 100. Now simplify this one. 128 ones are 128, twos are 256. So 2 into 100, 200. Here 200 is the final answer, our original price. Here original price is 200. 200 is a face powder final amount. Fifteenth question. A cell phone company fixed price of cell phone as 4,500. A dealer purchased a cell phone on which he paid 12% GST additionally. So first we pay the cell phone cost and again we pay the GST 12% also. So how much did the dealer paid as GST? What is the purchasing price of the cell phone? So here first, here 12% GST is the how much amount in 4,500. So find the 12% and add 4,500, that GST amount. Now here fixed price of the cell phone is 4,500. So we write that one. Fixed price of a cell phone is equal to 4,500 rupees. Now here GST is equal to, here GST 12% is equal to 12%. Now first we find the 12% GST amount. So therefore GST amount. Here GST amount is equal to 4,500 by 100 into 12. Here these two zeros get cancelled. 45 into 12 equal to 540 rupees. So this is the 540 rupees is the 12% GST amount. So here purchase price of a cell phone. Your purchasing price of a cell phone is equal to here 4,500 plus add GST 540 rupees. So that equal to add these two numbers 5,040. 5,040 rupees is the purchasing price of the cell phone. Final amount purchasing price is the 5,040 rupees. So this is the fifth one, complete answer. 16th question. A super bazaar prices an item in rupees and prices so that when 4% sales tax is added, no rounding is necessary because the result is exactly in n rupees, where n is a positive integer. Find the smallest value of n. Here 4% sale tax is added. So here n is a rupees, where n is a positive integer. Find the smallest value of. Here asking smallest value of n. Here let the cost of price. The cost of price is, we say x. Now here rupees and paisas, so that when 4% sale tax is added, 4% sale tax is added. So if x is increased, 4% sales tax is added. Then now here 4% added means here we write x plus 4% of sale tax. 4% in x. So here 4% of x is equal to n. Here n rupees, where n is a positive integer and smallest value. Here n is a positive integer and smallest value. So here x plus 4% of x equal to n. So this is the equation 1. Now here we reduce the percentage. Here x plus 4 by 100 into x equal to n. Now here do the LCM. 100 is the LCM. Here 100x plus 4x is equal to n. 100 plus 4, 104x by 100 equal to n. Now here x equal to, here n into 100 by 104. Now here 4 table, 4 2s are 4, 6 are 24, 4 2s are 4 5s are. Here x equal to 25 by 26 into n. Now here denominator 26 is there. So is the least multiple of 26. Here n is a least multiple of 26. Now here therefore n should be a least multiple of 26. Now here n is equal to multiples are 13, 26, here 39 dash dash. From these are the, we take least value. Here in question, here smallest value. N is the positive integer and smallest value. So we take the n is equal to 13. 13 is the least value. So we take this one. Now here x equal to 25 by 26 into, here we substitute the n place 13. So 13 1s are 13, 2s are 26. Now here 25 by 2. 25 by 2 means here we write the 12.5. Here x value is 12. Therefore x equal to 12.5. Now here x value, we know the x value. Finally here we asking n is the positive integer, where n is a positive integer, and find the smallest value of n. So here we find the n value. Here n is equal to x plus 4 by 100 into x equal to n. So now here substitute the x value. This is the equation 1. So here substitute x value. N is equal to x plus 4 by 100 into x. Here substitute x value 12.5 plus 4 by 100 into 12.5. Now here 12.5. Here simplify this one. Here 4 1s are 4, 25s are 25, 1s are 25, 5s are 125. Here point 1 digit before point is there. So we write 1 digit before point. Here 12.5 plus 0.5. Now here add these two. Here 12.5 plus 0.5 equal to 13. Here n is the 13. Here 13 rupees. 13 rupees is the final answer. Is a positive number and smallest value of n. Here we take the smallest value and positive number. N is 13. So this is the complete 16th solution. So this exercise, this is the last problem. Complete notes, all questions, answers are PDF. Complete PDF link in description is there. If you are interested, if you are needed, you download it.